myself that I'd see the Eiffel Tower just before my dying.
Hello there, welcome to another video of the Kombo Beach Resort. It's been 2 months since we opened, and then people were asking, is it fully open? Is everything ready? Is this? Is that? Well, today I'm here to tell you that everything is ready and working 100%. But you know, we just don't say it, we show you guys.
For someone, even if it breaks me down. If I were just honest with myself, I'm so scared of breaking the promises I made when I was 12.
Aqua Park is operating and is doing very well. This is one of the games that you will get to have here. As I mentioned earlier, Kombo has the longest beach in all hotels of the Gambia here. And one thing that is very unique here is you have a beach and a pool and you will be in between them.
I would love my crazy life, even when it hurts like hell. I just made a promise to myself, and I swear I'm gonna keep it. Yeah, I swear I'm gonna live.
You know, one thing about Kombo is we love nature and we love to preserve it. As you can see, the gardens are well kept, they're green and fresh. And you can see we have new trees that are added, and the old trees here are kept and well maintained as well. This is so nice. I'm standing between the new renovated buildings here, which is Block A and Block B, and you guys have already seen the rooms. Have you been to a sport bar? I mean, you've been to hotels that have sport bars, but this is very unique. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. For you to come here is very easy. All you need to do is book through on our website or just any booking agency that you want to book through. Come here, enjoy your holidays, enjoy your vacation, have so much fun, create memories, you know. But don't forget to share, like and subscribe on our YouTube channel so that whenever we come here with a new video, you'll be the first person to see it. See you here next time.